Hi there! In this quick demo, we're showcasing the initial results of a powerful modernization, transforming a legacy VB6 application into a sleek web-based Blazor solution. You might ask yourself, why Blazor? Modernizing to Blazor unlocks critical advantages for your applications. With improved security, better performance, and seamless cloud integration, Blazor allows your software to scale, stay current, and meet today's user expectations, all while maintaining core business functionality. It's also easier to maintain, deploy, and extend in the long run. What's currently being shown on the screen is the home-based admin module of the application. This migration represents a transformation from a legacy desktop system to a web environment. The initial screen that appears in this module is the main menu. Here's the legacy version of the application running in VB6, and now the web version running in Blazor. As you can see, the design is very similar. The same structure and control styles have been preserved to ensure a smooth user transition. Let's continue by opening the company contact option in the VB6 app. You'll notice this form uses a tab control with multiple tabs. Now, let's open that same form in the migrated Blazor version. Navigation remains familiar and intuitive. While this tab is simple, with just an empty grid and a button, it shows how layout and usability are preserved. Moving on to the Country tab, here's where things get more dynamic. This is the VB6 version and this is the Blazor version. This tab is more interesting than the previous one because it contains data in the grid, which is loaded from the database. You can see how cleanly the Blazor app mirrors the VB6 interface while bringing it into a modern browser environment. Let's move on to the Region tab. Again, VB6 on the left, Blazor on the right. The grid loads database-driven data, and additional controls like labels, text boxes, and buttons all carry over seamlessly into the web environment. The Company Agency Type tab is another great example of consistent data interaction, now within a responsive, maintainable web interface. This is the VB6 version and this is the Blazor version. Finally, we'll look at the Company Industry Codes tab, one of the more complex screens. This is the VB6 version and this is the Blazor version. It features populated grids, multiple controls like drop-downs, labels, text fields, and buttons, all upgraded with modern usability yet preserving business logic and workflows. Notice the combo boxes. They're pulling live data from the backend just like the original system. Also worth noting, the toolbar navigation works just like in the legacy app, ensuring continuity and minimizing retraining needs. At Gap, we use a hybrid approach combining deterministic AI and generative AI for code migrations. This means faster, more reliable transformations. Your business logic is preserved, your UI remains familiar, and your team gets a system built to last. If you're thinking about moving away from outdated platforms like VB6, but want to avoid a disruptive rebuild, this is your path forward. Let us show you how we can bring your applications into the future, faster than you think.